We are going to start our video. Let me introduce myself. Myself Chavan and you are watching IAS AJC. Guys, please support me for more videos. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos where I will explain you step by step for preparation of UPSC and IAS. So let's start our video. In today's video we are going to learn is that what books to refer. According to my opinion is that should not buy so many books, keep less resources and revise it, because buying so many books make us to confuse what to read and what to not. So I am here to help you. No need of buying too many books. For first, you buy only 3 books. First one is Indian polity, and second Indian economy, and brief history of the modern India. These books are enough to practice for the beginners. These 3 books are enough. I will teach you what to read and what to not. In those days I will explain step by step in simple way. You have doubt that remaining books when you should buy, right? Well, don't worry, I will explain you step by step and I will inform you after completing those 3 books. So here are those books which I said to buy. First one is Indian polity, and second one is Indian economy. Indian polity by M. Lakshmikant, and Indian economy by Ramesh Singh, and the brief modern history of the India by Spectrums. You can buy those books only. That's all for today's video. Comment me for more videos. Which class do you like to see first? Modern Indian history or Indian polity or Indian economy? Please comment me and please subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.